how to change current location on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you are signed in to your Roblox device. Now once you have opened Roblox here, go ahead and navigate to the help center of Roblox. So in order to navigate to the help center, simply tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for help and safety. So tap on the help and safety option you see there and then tap on the help center option. So once you are in the help center of Roblox, you will see a bunch of options and suggestions for help. Simply scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for contact us. So tap on the contact us option you see there, and now in this particular interface, go ahead and add in your username, your first name, your email address, and then confirm your email address. Once you have entered those, simply go ahead and enter what device are you having problem from, and then go ahead and select the help category. And once you have selected the help category, you can also go ahead and describe your issue. So go ahead and describe your issue and simply write in that you want to change your location. Once you have entered the description, tap on the continue button you see there. And now, once you tap on the continue button, your request will be sent to the Help Center of Roblox, and Roblox Help Center will further navigate your issue and review them and help you accordingly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.